you should be able to differentiate by now. However, you can't really use the chain rule as it is because the equation is represented as a fraction. So whenever you're dealing with fractions that you need to differentiate, you need to use the quotient rule formula. The numerator is u and the denominator is v. The formula is v du over dx minus u dv over dx, all divided by v squared. This can also be represented by vu dash minus uv dash over v squared. U dash or v dash is the universal notation for something that has been differentiated once. So let's crack on. U equals 4x, so then u dash would equal 4. V would be 3x squared plus 2, so v dash would be 6x. We now just plug these in, so v u dash minus u v dash all divided by 3 squared plus 2. So let's plug that in. We're going to get 4, 3x squared plus 2 minus 4x, 6x, all divided by 3x squared plus 2 all squared. If we clean up the numerator, we should get minus 12x squared plus 8, all divided by 3x squared plus 2 all squared. Now we can factorize the top, so we'll get minus 4, and it's going to be 3x squared minus 2, all divided by 3x squared plus 2 squared. It would be great if this was also a positive, because then it would cancel out and you would actually have minus 4 over 3x squared plus 2, but it isn't, and that has been successfully differentiated.